Jayashree Group of Companies, a trusted name in safety and automation products for more than 5 decades, has always been setting up newer paradigms of speed, precision and power with its exclusive and finest products and services. Today, Jayashree Electro Devices, Jayashree Electron Unit 1, Jayashree Electron Unit 2 and Jayashree Encoders are catering to varied industry requirements across the globe with its firm commitment to customer satisfaction. Way back in 1972, late Mr. Ram Bapat understood precisely the need for import substitute development of motor control products and designed and patented a speed monitoring instrument called Raymon, which was based on electrodynamics principle. Today, with its state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, Jayashree Group of Companies are working relentlessly, setting up newer paradigms of quality. Jayashree Group plants are well equipped with all modern manufacturing facilities to produce high-quality products. The production shop floor area, sprawling over 1 lakh square feet, can cater to any size of requirement. Jayashree Electro Devices, a pioneer manufacturer in safety switches of bulk material handling conveyors, brushless motors and drives, has created its unique position in the market by bringing new high-quality products through innovation. Jayashree safety switches like pull cord switch, belt sway switch and belt watch system over the years have raised the bar of enhanced safety levels for conveyor system and operating personnel. Jayashree Electro Devices continues innovation with development of BLDC submersible motors, innovative aerators and sensorless drive. Currently, Jayashree has BLDC motors from 30 watts to 10 kilowatts ranging from size 48 to 145. The ultra-modern facilities of assembly processes, CNC machines and paint shop at Jayashree Electro Devices are producing conveyor safety and brushless motor products of world standard, pioneering in automation and control products for speed, precision and power. Today, Jayashree Electron is recognized for the development of proximity switches in India. Over the years, Jayashree Electron has shown rapid growth with the introduction of several new control and safety products like advanced types of proximity switches, electronic speed switches, level sensors, electronic brakes, sequence timers and transducers. Today, Jayashree Electron is the leading soft starter manufacturer in the country with 10,000 plus installations around the globe. It has design and manufacturing capacity of 1,000 soft starters per year for rating up to 35 megawatt, 13.8 kilovolt electrical motors of all types, pick and place machines, inspection equipment, prototype PCB making machine and EMI EMC testing. Jayashree Electron houses all levels of facilities to produce high-quality products. Jayashree Encoders produces high-precision rotary shaft encoders under the brand name Gencoder, the perfect coder. Recognized as focused world-class encoder manufacturer in India, Jayashree Encoders houses machining as well as inspection capabilities with high-end Japanese machines to obtain the high-precision mechanical parts. International level type testing facilities like environmental test chamber, encoder accuracy testing and shock and vibration testing ensure that quality standards are followed meticulously. Jayashree Encoder also has a clean room for assembly of specialized encoder meant for high-end applications like ones in defense. With more than 200,000 installations worldwide, the GenCoder brand offers encoders in industry standard packages from size 38 to 58, large bore sizes up to 42 mm and resolutions up to 10,000 ppr. With all its companies having ISO 9001-2015 certification, all the testing facilities at Jayashree are regularly upgraded in compliance with international standards. With the team of over 350 professionals and the widest network of sales representatives and dealers across the globe, Jayashree Group is set round the clock to take care of its prestigious client base. Let there be any sector, Jayashree Group has established itself as a proven brand in numerous markets such as power generation, irrigation, steel, cement, textile, packaging, defense, mining, windmills, and many more. Today, with more than 2,000 satisfied customers in India and across the globe, Jayashree Group is committed to supply high-quality products that will face the challenges of the 21st century.